Alright. Well, right now I'm just waiting. I can't get inside yet. I thought the homeowner was going to be here. He ain't here yet. And my boss ain't here yet with the other employees. So what we're doing is fabricating duct work, hooking up a furnace, get some heat in this place. The inside of it is, I mean, he's got some work to do, but I mean, it can be done. We got to put a roof on it, so winter's coming. So it'll be a fun winter. But we started late yesterday evening and got a couple pieces of duct fabbed up and wrapped in bubble wrap and sealed and all that. Now we got a couple more pieces put together, and then we gotta get the plenum, fab the plenum up, get it mounted, get the fresh air intake mounted, and then get this ductwork run. I'm telling you, it is cold out today with this wind. Wow. So right now I'm waiting. I don't live that far away. I only live right down. I mean, it's not far at all. It's like a 4-minute walk. So pretty nice to get to go home for lunch. I don't mind. Oh, you can't see in there. Can you see? Yeah, right there. Right there's the furnace. There's exhaust, fresh air, gas line right there. So, anyways, that's all I can do for right now. So, whenever I get inside, get moving, I'll get some more, so y'all can see what's going on. I'll be back. Alright, this is what we have so far. This place is, looks like a daggone tornado went through here. Look. He's getting like, I mean, wow. Yep, I'm just gonna stay away from that. Right here's what we did. Got a 18 by 12 trunk fabbed up, and it'll come off up here. I'll tell you what, they ain't got much headroom, and it's got to run all the way down. Have runs coming off of it, flex pipe, and I wish he would, could do this gas line better. I mean, this isn't a used unit. The guy, the owner said it's not brand new. There is exhaust, fresh air, and we are going to try and shim up this bottom right here to get this to go up a little bit further. This is how we want it done. So this is how we did it. And right there is our intake. Wow. Anyways, when I come off of here with a piece fabbed up, a square, basically a square, come out here and put a cap on the end, put a hole on the top of it, come up through here, all the way over here, right here in the floor. So this place, I ain't gonna lie, this place is a dump. Hot water tank's not going there. He's moving it somewhere. And I'll be back.
What I try to tell you.
On the gas line?
No, on the trunk.
Oh, you serious?
See it right off of it.
Wow.
See your bug? What we listened to this morning.
It's not hard to manage. Yeah. Ouch. This weather's had my daggone nose stuffed up, man. They're not saying it's supposed to get like a bunch of snow this year, though. It's like, you know, just mild and wet.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but you know how the weather goes, man. It's being a weather reporter is pretty much the only job you get paid to be wrong a lot. So, alright, this ain't. Hey, come on. I about got this. Trouble cutting freaking nuts, man. You just back at it. You know, slice you up. Few more minutes, Brett. I'll have this about ready. What's that? What's that? Oh, I'm talking about that.